Hey, my name's Luke, and I took this bit of Sheoak and I made this. Just got a bit of sandpaper that I've screwed onto a bit of wood. Try and sand these off a little. Put a bit of 60 grit sandpaper on this side just to help knock off those high edges a little bit quicker. I've only sanded the tips of my fingers off a couple times. Done. Dry. Alright, so there's the finished product. Cool, so that's it. I don't know if I'm much of a necklace man, but I'm still really happy with how this came out. Nice and shiny, it looks pretty. I've been relegated to the shed while my wife's inside studying for exams, but I haven't been alone. I've had some good company out here, I can say. Here she is. No. Cool. So if you like this one, let me know. Either click on the like button, leave a comment, tell me what you thought. If not for me, just for Marcy, because she likes attention. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers. See ya.